Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to read to you Matthew 17, verse 20. It says, "And Jesus said unto them, Because of your unbelief, for verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, Remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible for you." You see, we have a lot of things that we want to achieve. We want to attempt a lot of things. We want to take big steps. But what is stopping us from doing that is unbelief. Yes, we do not achieve a lot of things because of the unbelief that is in our heart. So now Jesus was telling them, he said, if you have faith as a grain of a mustard seed, a tiny mustard seed like that, and you command something as big as a mountain, it shall obey you. It says, then nothing shall be impossible for you. So I'm saying to you today that nothing shall be impossible to you. Only if you have that tiniest faith. Use that small faith to move mountain. Move that small faith to do the impossible. Use that small faith of yours to change your situations. Move that small faith of yours to be the beginning of a new generation that will produce generational blessings. Don't look at your unbelief. Don't look at other people's failure. Look unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. Stay blessed.